Attorney Renz, legal bang magpakasal sa pinsan? Tara, pag-usapan natin. Hi guys, I'm Attorney Renz of Respicio & Company Law Firm, and today, let's talk about whether you can legally marry your cousin. The short answer po is no. Kung kayo ng pinsan nyo ay may relasyon bilang collateral blood relative up to the 4th civil degree, ibig sabihin, first cousins or closer, then hindi po ito legal. Under the Family Code of the Philippines, Article 38, sinasabi po doon na the following marriages shall be void from the beginning for reasons of public policy. Number 1 po, between collateral blood relatives, whether legitimate or illegitimate, up to the 4th civil degree. Kaya, kung ikaw at ang pinsan mo ay first cousins, which is typically 4th civil degree collateral relationship, ang marriage ninyo ay void ab initio or walang bisa mula sa simula. However, kung ang relationship ninyong magpinsan ay nasa mas malayong degree, meaning beyond 4th degree of consanguinity o hindi blood relationship, kailangan pa rin tignan ang exact degree of consanguinity para makasiguro kayo. So, bago kayong pakasal, importanteng kumonsulta muna sa abogado para ma-check ang exact relation and jurisdictional requirements. Again, this is Attorney Renz of Respicio & Company Law Firm. Please like, share, comment, and follow. Peace.